talk about one of the easiest things out there to do, and that's how to change a light bulb. Believe it or not, I discovered while doing some research that people are searching for this. So here we are, we're in my laundry room that we are working on remodeling, and we've put up a new light fixture by Linnea Lighting. If you would like more information about the lighting, go to my website to the laundry room remodel post. So for now, we're going to switch this around and show you the light, and I'll show you how to replace a light bulb. Okay, so we're up here with my light fixture, and it's time to put in the bulb. Before you start, I want to tell you, if you're replacing a light bulb, make sure to turn off the light switch and let the bulb cool. Some bulbs can be very hot to touch, and you don't want to burn yourself. But in this situation, I put up a new light fixture, so I didn't have to take out a bulb. To take out a bulb, you simply unscrew and pull it out gently. And carefully hold the bulb, because the glass is very fine and it can break in your hand. And you don't want that to happen. It can cut you and make a mess. So gently remove the burned bulb that's in there now, and it's time to replace with a new bulb. Now, one thing I want to show you is a bulb has threads on the end. There are also threads up in this hole, and it's like a porcelain material. So what you're going to do is you're going to screw this threaded end into the threads up here. It can be a little bit of a challenge because sometimes it doesn't want to go in perfectly straight, or it just wants to give you a little bit of trouble. So what I do is I just make sure that bulb is straight up and down, and I gently start twisting it to the right, because remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So start twisting it to the right, and then until it stops, and just wiggle it just a little bit, and turn it until it's in there good and snug. You don't want to over tighten. There's no need to over tighten. So just gently make sure it's in there snug, and it's time to turn on the light. So I'm going to give it a try, and let's see if it works. All right. Yay, so the light is working, and I've replaced it, and it's an easy project to do. You can do it yourself. You just need a ladder and a light bulb. I used an incandescent bulb. Another favorite bulb is your LED. So I highly recommend LED. Halogen puts off a lot of heat. If you're going to go halogen, think about where you're putting it. LED lasts like much longer than most light bulbs out there right now. And incandescent is kind of an older style, and it casts a more warm glow. But you get different choices with any light bulb. So take your time and look up all the different options in light bulbs and the wattage. One last thing. It's really important that you know the maximum wattage of your light fixture. This particular light was a 60 watt. So I went 60 watt, and I went with a clear bulb. I wanted to get as much light into my laundry room as possible. So thank you for coming to Life on Summer Hill, and I hope you're all having a great day.